Alright, so what's good, YouTube? Recently I got a package in from the Barber plug. I believe they are based out of Dallas. They had a special going. I found out about this right after the last Barber Expo that I attended. You all know the Empire Barber Expo was here in Los Angeles. I pulled up. I had grabbed this right here, this product from Cocco. They have the Shaver Impacto. The Impacto Micro Wet Dry Shaver. So this right here is a full shaver. Everything that you would expect to get out of it, you can get out of it. But yeah, I've heard great things about the Cocco brand, their products that they cut like butter. So I had to check them out. And with the Barber plug having this special right here, where you able to get the free Barber mobile barber station with the purchase of a pair of trimmers and clippers, I said I had to get in on that. And that's what we're going to be checking out here today. Okay, so here we are. We do have our clippers and our trimmers. You all see the color that I chose for these. They also come with the charging dock. I'm excited to take these to the shop and test these bad boys out for real. Within the package, you will find guards, tools, accessories, everything that you do need. And of course, the charging stand dock. These trimmers definitely have some weight to them. I will say the color is a lot better than I expected. Just looking at the box or how it appears on the website, it doesn't do it justice. The way this reflects, like when lights hit it, the color, it really pops. I like this shade of blue, the color, the way it stands out. See here how it sits on the base. I like everything that I'm seeing with these clippers. It is great that they included the charging stand. I'm ready to get into the shop, test these out, put them up, you know, maybe against the Babyliss trimmers that I have and see which one is really going to be my go-to. But I'm happy that I have both of them. You know, I can have one on the charger. I have options. And now the clippers themselves. Here they are, our Cocco clippers. Can you all see that color? How it hits? This is a beautiful set. I really like the color. Like I said with the trimmer, you all see the clippers right here. That color really hits when it's hitting the light. With the Cocco clippers in the box comes all the guards that you will need, your accessories, tools, some oil, everything is in here for real. They included some clipper oil, also the Cocco charging station for the clippers. With the charging stations, the one that comes with the clippers is larger than the one that comes with the trimmer, so you can't use the same charging dock or charging stand for both. You will have to use the specific one. You will use the trimmer dock for the trimmers and the clipper dock for the clippers. Moment of truth, let's turn these on and see how they sound. The clippers also have some weight to them, but it's nothing crazy. These are very smooth. Like I said, I heard they cut like butter. I'm excited to take these to the shop and see exactly what they're hitting for. So in this video, we've checked out the clippers, the trimmers, the full shaver. I actually did not open this full shaver. I don't like the color. I would prefer to have the white one. So this one right here, I'm going to be hooking someone up with it. I'm going to give this one away. It is still sealed in the plastic. Tap in with me if you would like to try out this Cocco shaver. I'm going to be giving it away. The free product that I did receive from the Barber plug was this Cocco mobile barber station. A solid sturdy case. It does also have a lock. I'm just now getting back from Chicago. I did take this with me for the first time. It was my first time traveling with it. Everything went smooth. I took my trimmers, my clippers, I put them in here and everything was solid. I am very happy that I have this bag to store all my barber supplies in. I'm able to take this to the shop with me. It's easy to set up, easy to assemble, easy to pack up at the end of the day. Take my clippers with me. If I need to, shoot out to another city, I can do that. Take my clippers with me. I just got back from Chicago, going through TSA with it on me. Everything was smooth. So yeah, I give this Cocco mobile barber station a 10 out of 10 off the rip. And the fact that it was free, that the barber plug did have that deal going on, that just makes it even more, we love the value. We love the value here for sure. I'm going to show you all how the bag looks inside. There are a lot of compartments. I know for a fact that I can fit all of my supplies, everything that I need to take with me inside of this one single bag right here, and that is a win. That is a plus for sure. I hope you all did enjoy this video. Shout out to the barber plug. One thing that I will say, the shipping did take mad long. It was like 3 to 4 weeks on shipping. It definitely shouldn't take that long to ship a bag and some clippers. That part right there had me a little blown. I'm not gonna lie to you all. I'm not going to lie to you all. But other than that, shout out to the barber plug. It was a great deal. Shout out to Cocco as well as a brand. They're making great barber products. It comes with the charging base. That's a win. Like I said, the fact that I don't have to go out and buy the charging base separately, that I now have options that I can do. I'm going to take these to the shop with me and put them to work. I will keep you all posted on how the Cocco products are working for me. I hope you all did enjoy this video on the channel. If you did, go ahead and subscribe, turn on post notifications, and I'm out, family. Peace.